Salman, I don't know if you're aware about this or not, but last night Sohail misbehaved with
I don't think he misbehaved. I don't think he misbehaved at all. Well, just the other day, I was coming up from the airport. One journalist, kept her mic in my friend's face, and so he just moved the mic, and he said, "What's wrong with you, idiot?" So I had to look at her and said, "And my dad is 80 something. You can't come and stick, your young people. You can't come and stick your mics in front of him. What if he falls?" This is to happen with Sohail. Please don't try this stuff with me. Where's my parents? Where's my parents? Where's my parents? My family, my friends, especially my mother, Helen auntie, and my dad. We're young people, you can do this with us. Don't do this because you will not like this if I do it in front of you. Your parents. So have that respect. See, now you're standing here like this. It's so cool. Now you're competing with each other and no one's getting any bite, no one's getting any statement. So if my brother at that point in time is concerned for my father, he's not abusing you. He's just, feeling really shit about that whole situation that took place. It shouldn't have happened. If you guys have behaved yourself, that would have never happened. Why are you provoking? Don't provoke like this. Keep your distance. आप एक दूसरे के ऊपर चढ़े जा रहे हो to get your mics in front. You have the decorum, no? We all stand. Who doesn't stand and who does not talk to people? We all do. But there's one section who does not just want to, keep that decorum intact. We're seniors. What time were you there? Now, my brother and my father were having a nice dinner together. What time did you go there? And what is this ridiculous statement that you wanted to find out about? What was the time? 12 o'clock in the night. You want to know whether I'm getting married or not? So, that's not. And they stood there, no? They stood there nicely.